Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back in the evening of Sunday. Yes, in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, January the 14th, 2023, we have the second additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cijferblok. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. Yeah. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of not 7, 8 puzzles. There are 8 puzzles. Correction, 8 puzzles. Half of them I will solve. And the first one I will do is the Sudoku with 3 stars. And this will be number, I believe, 5795. 5795. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. And it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 3 twos. We have here 3 threes. 2 fours, 2 fives, 3 sixes, 2 sevens, 3 eights, and 2 nines. So it's divided. Let me start with the 1. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, there are only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then. Let me see. Yeah. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. Well, we have an 8 in the first column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in this row, so no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. 8, okay. 8. Then 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number in the last row is the number 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, middle column. So no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the second row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column. 6 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We see here 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here 6 in this row, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Oh, we have 4 6s. Wow. Overlooked. Digit number 1, number 6. All right. 5 and 7. Okay, 7 and 8. Okay, here we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and 7 is missing. 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in, oh wait, we have a pair, 7 and 8 in the last row, 7 and 8 here in the row above. So that row, the only two places left for the 7 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 7 and 8, 7 and 8. So one digit left in this row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in the second column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 9 and 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8. And the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and then 9 goes there. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3, 3. Okay. 9, 9. 2, 2. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 8 should be here. 9, 8, 9, and 3. We have a pair. The 3 and 8 in this column. The 3 and 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only two places left for the 3 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. So one digit left in the second column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. Oh, wait. So the 1 and 2 and the 4, 1, 2, 4, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, and the 4, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. And look, we have a 4 in this row. So no 4 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 4 should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left. 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay. Then 1, 1, 3, 3. I'm thinking. But the 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. No. 1, 1, 1, 1. Yeah. 9, 9, 9, 9. 8. 8. Well, 8, 8. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. And last column, the only two places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay. We have a 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. There are 2 in this row, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. Can I count? And all the 2s are used. I can see this is number 2. All right. 5, 6, 1, 4. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4, 4. Well, 8, 8, 8, 8. Well, we have 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8 in this big square. We have an 8 in the first row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 should be in one of these 3 boxes, the 8. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in one of those 3 boxes in the second row. So this box, I've marked those boxes earlier with a 3 and 8. This box can be an 8 and more. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 3. 3, 3, okay. 1, 2, 3, 3. Yeah, 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next to the last column. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 3. Okay, and now 8 in this last column, 8 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this middle row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 7 and 8, we have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 7 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in the first row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 8. All right. Then. 5, 5, 5, 5. 5, 9, 9, 9. 7. Oh, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 5, 7, 9. 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9. And look, we have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. Here's 7 in the middle row, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. So the 5 and the 9 are left. 5 and the 9. Well, cannot fill this yet. Oh, correction. We have a 5 in the middle column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in the middle column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9. 4 and 9. So we have a pair here, 4 and 9. So what are the other 2 numbers in the first row? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, 4. And the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. All right. 7. Come on. 1, 5, 9. 1, 5. Come on. Well, 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7. Okay. 1 box left in this row for number, I believe the 9. Yes, 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 5. 7 and the 5. We have a 5 in the second row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. I believe those 2 numbers in the first row should be also 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. So we have a pair here, but here also a pair. That means 1 digit left in this column for the number, I believe the 9, yes. 9 in this last column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. For the 9, We have a 9 in this row. So this can be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 4. I've marked this box also 4 and then 9. We have a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 4 goes there. So we have a 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this row, second row, for the number 1. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And the final number in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Completed in 15 minutes. Well, 3 stars? No. Oh, wait. 1 and a 5. We already have a 1 here in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Now it's finished. 16 minutes. So not a 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.